I'm Santiago Ramirez. I'm the overall site manager for Arlong Park. Arlong Park is a free-range egg farm run by Farm Pride, and we are in the biggest free-range egg farm in Australia. Currently we're using chemical dosing, essentially chlorine, and we try to sanitize 24,000 litres a day, which requires a lot of chlorine. This obviously impacts our overheads, and also we believe it impacts the environment. We're proposing the use of Ecoline, as we think it's a one-step product that will sanitize our water, that will guarantee us that that water is safe for the chickens to drink. We believe that Ecoline will guarantee us that the water that we feed our chickens, it's microbiologically safe. The water sanitation, it's a crucial part for our business and a crucial part from our hazard and critical control point program. Currently find that we have to do this testing of the water on a daily basis. For our quality assurance program, we want to have a good balance in the amount of chemicals that we use. We don't want to use too many chemicals, but we also don't want to use too little, because we found that chemical dosing can sometimes be inaccurate and it can vary. We're currently looking for a system that will take us away from that. We are currently spending a lot of man hours, which increase the cost of our businesses, just for monitoring the water and try to get this water clean. And that's why we like to use, or we believe that Ecoline is a very good product, as it will take us away from the use of chemicals, away from constantly trying to see if we use the right amount of chlorine or not, if we put too much, if we put too little, and steering us away from using a lot of time in seeing if what we're doing is correct. We're really looking forward for a product like Ecoline, because it will save us a lot of time. It will give us a peace of mind that the system is working, as we can monitor it remotely, and it will guarantee us that that water is essentially sanitized. Given that Ecoline is a modular system, when we expand, we know that with Ecoline we can just expand the system and it will deliver the amount of sanitation that we require. Obviously, the amount of water that the chickens consume changes with the climate. In Australia we have very extreme climate, and in summer the water consumption almost doubles. So we can go for about 24,000 litres a day to 40,000 litres a day. We know that with Ecoline we can deliver the sanitation that we want. We are confident with Ecoline because the build, the technology, the information about the technology is readily available to us. I think this is also in line with our goals here, that we want to be as close as nature as possible. We want to ensure that our customers know that what we're doing here is as close to the ground as we